Hello everyone, welcome to my YouTube channel. Here I am with another tutorial. Introducing the stationery for today: Staedtler pencil, Dome's eraser and a Posca pen for the outline. And I am using the Staedtler Luna watercolor pencils for the coloring in my drawing. The links for all the material is provided in the video description. You can just go and check them there. So today we are making the water gun with the bag, with the container. So we'll be making the basic drawing first with the pencil. So making the curved lines, curve from the top and from the center. We are making a line to make the curves equal on both the sides. After this, we'll be joining it from the bottom. Again, we have almost a wavy line on the bottom. Now just doubling this part, making a slanting line, sleeping and the slanting line. Now we'll be making a rectangle inside it, another rectangle in the first one. Now we'll be making the strings of the bag here. So standing, sleeping and a standing line and a square. We'll be doubling this and just extending it downwards. The same way on the other side, just making a square, doubling the lines and just extending that part downwards. So we are making the pencil lines first, and after that we are going to outline it, as there will be many lines that we don't need to outline, they are only for our help. So making the opening cap here. This is the container, the water container. Making a slanting line, slanting, another slanting line. So 3 slanting lines. Again inside it we'll be making the straps of the bag. Now from the bottom we'll make the pipe connecting to the water gun. So we are just giving the basic structure. Now here we'll be making the water gun, so making a standing and a slanting line. So here we are done with the basic structure of our drawing with the pencil. Now we'll be starting with the pen. So outlining the cap of the bag. Now we are just doubling these lines, the pencil lines that we have drawn. This is for the strap of the bag. Just look at the lines carefully and you will be able to draw it. We are just doubling the whole bag. We just have to make the same lines as the pencil lines that we have drawn before. Now just outlining the pencil lines that we have drawn. Now after making these lines, we are just going to outline the bag lines that we have drawn with the pencil. Now we are making some design on top of the bag. So you can create any design on your own, anything that you want to draw. You can make any cartoons also of your choice, or you can make even any animal characters or anything, whatever you want to create. Now first we'll be making the water gun. So starting from the center of the standing line, we have drawn a curve, then a slanting line coming up, little curved line. We are just doubling both the lines, then two slanting lines, again a little curve. Now this curve is for the opening where we'll be making the connecting pipe. Now a curve, again a slanting line, a standing line, and now we are just doubling those lines. From here we are making a standing line again a slanting line, just giving a different pattern to it. So look at the lines carefully and you'll be able to draw it. Now I have drawn a curved line there, making a little wiggly line, a standing and a slanting line, just doubling it. Now we'll be making 3 standing lines here, joining it with a curve. Then we are just doubling this curve and making another curve at the top. So we are done with the drawing of the water gun. Now we are making the connecting pipe. So just outlining the pencil line that I have drawn before. Just look at the lines carefully. So now we'll be joining this connecting pipe to the bag. So that is how we are going to connect the bag and the water gun. Now there at the bottom we'll be making the opening here, and then we are connecting the water pipe there. So this is we are done with our whole drawing. This is what we have to draw. I hope you found it very easy. All the step-by-step instructions were given. Now we are just going to erase the pencil lines as they were only for our help. And once we are done with the pencil line, erasing the pencil lines, we will start with the coloring. For coloring I am using the Staedtler Luna pencils. I'll be doing multiple colors in this one. So I'm using this yellow color for the outer part. You can do the same colors or you can do any colors of your own choice. That is up to you. This is just for the reference. I hope you enjoy the coloring process. Do share your feedback with this video in the comment section, and also you can let me know if you want me to draw anything specific for you. And like and subscribe to my channel and share it with your friends, and please turn on the bell icon for the regular notifications. So we are almost done with the coloring of our drawing. Please like and subscribe to my channel and share with your friends. Thank you for watching. See you tomorrow. Bye bye.